Hey YouTube, it's Jay here with CryptoSphere Consulting, and this is part one of our market trading tutorial series. Today I'm going to show you step one on how you can get started investing in cryptocurrency today. Okay, so we're going to start with Coinbase. Coinbase is a digital wallet service. You do need a digital wallet in order to hold digital currency or cryptocurrency. So what you're going to want to do is click the link in this description, and it'll take you to Coinbase, and then you click sign up. It's self-explanatory. First name, last name, email, passwords, your state. You're not a robot. If you're 18 or older, then certify that you're 18 or older. Hit create account. From there, you'll get a verification email. And once you click the link in the email, it's going to ask you to verify some more information for tax purposes. I'm not going to go through all that in this video because this is like the millionth time I've tried to do this video. I'm trying to learn how to um, do the screen recording software, but I already have too many Coinbase accounts, so I'm not going to make another one. But I will log in and show you what it looks like when you get in there. If I can remember the password to this thing. Okay. Okay, two-step verification. You definitely want to use two-step verification or two-factor authentication with whatever you use in crypto, because you don't want anybody getting your password or hacking your account and stealing your money. So, all right, now we're in Coinbase. You can see the four cryptocurrencies that are supported by Coinbase. For what we're going to be doing with Coinbase, this is all you need. Um, you're going to click buy and sell. You're going to make sure you're in the buy tab, go to Bitcoin. You're going to have to add a payment method and then come down here and type the US dollar amount value that you want. For this particular referral credit, you need to have at least $100. You need to purchase at least $100 worth of Bitcoin. It can be more, but it can't. You need at least $100 in order to get the referral credit. Notice with this payment method, my checking account, the payment method fee is 0 and it's available instantly. If I go to debit, there's a fee for payment method, but it's also available instantly. Sometimes the checking isn't always available instantly. You can also use a credit card, but there is a payment method fee associated with that. But that's like a case where you would want to use your debit card instead of your checking. Um, so after you type in the amount that you want, it's going to convert it to the Bitcoin value, and then you're going to hit buy Bitcoin instantly. I don't want to buy it right now, but you can see funds will be debited today or within 3 business days, but it's going to be available instantly. All right, so once you buy the Bitcoin, it's going to show up in your Bitcoin wallet. And then after that, you should see something like this from Coinbase where you receive $10 as a referral bonus. It won't say for inviting, it'll say, being invited by so and so. Shout out to Bruce Wheeler. But then once you see that and you've got your credit, then you can go ahead and just sell it. You can cash it out right then and there. You can deposit it to your USD wallet, which is going to stay on Coinbase, but it's going to be US dollars. Or you can send it back to your checking account. Just click in this little box and hit sell max. It's going to sell all of what you got. And then hit sell instantly. You can definitely do that if you have no interest in cryptocurrency at all, or you're not trying to invest. But if you are interested in cryptocurrency, stay tuned because we're going to teach you some techniques that you can use to make money in any financial market, be it stocks, forex, cryptocurrency. We'll go over chart patterns, how to read charts, candlesticks, some useful indicators, and even some trading strategies. and we'll even do some live trades with you all in the future. So if you're interested in something like that, go ahead and subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can get notified when we post our next video. Our entire course is going to be given away for free. So, before you go pay a lot of money to somebody who's claims to be an expert, you can go ahead and take this course for free. See, maybe you learned something. And if you feel like you need more, then go ahead and, you know, do whatever you want. I'm not a licensed financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. Give us a thumbs down if you didn't. And leave us a comment. Let us know why you didn't like the video and maybe what you want to learn or what you're looking to learn from us, um, to help us give you some better content in the next video. That's it. Go ahead and get started. Click the referral link in the description and you're good to go.